Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today's topic is the sniper continues dated 1st May 2020. You know 1st May is the International Labor Day. Let us now turn to our topic at page number 54. There are lost. Yes. The sniper looked at his enemy falling and he shuddered. स्नाइपर ने देखा अपने दुश्मन को गिरते हुए and he shuddered and he shivered, he trembled. Shuddered means shivered or trembled वो थरथराया. The lust of battle died in him. Lust means greed or lust means strong desire. और battle जो जंग की थी और battle died in him वो died in him. Yes, the lust of battle जो चाहत थी जबरदस्त चाहत थी जंग की थी वो इसमें एंड हो गई. died in him means ended in him. He became bitten by remorse. he वो उसने शुरू किया अब पछताना. remorse means repentance. उसने पछताना यानी अब पछतावा उसको जैसे क्या कहते हैं सजा दे रही थी. The civet stood out in beads on his forehead. Yes, students. The civet means पसीना वो उसके माथे पर उसकी पेशानी पर माला की सूरत में in a line on his forehead उसके माथे पर. Weakened by his wound in the long summer day of fasting and watching on the roof, he revolted from the sight of the shattered mass of his dead enemy. His teeth shattered, he began to gibber to himself, cursing the war, cursing himself, and cursing everybody. Yes, students. Weakened by his wound. ये वो कमज़ोर हुआ अपनी जो उसको जख्म लगी थी एंड लॉन्ग समर ऑफ फास्टिंग और पूरा गर्मी का जो दिन था वो भूखा रहा. फास्ट मीन्स हंग्री यस. फास्टिंग एंड वॉचिंग ऑन द रूफ वो वॉच कर रहा था निगरानी कर रहा था छत पर. He revolted from the sight of shattered mass of his dead enemy. He revolted means he turned away. वो मुड़ गया हट गया उस नज़ारे से जब उसने देखा इसको देखा. yes. जो shattered means very exhausted और pieced जिसके पीस हो गए थे broken into pieces उसके वो जिस्म छलनी हो गया तो फिर कश्मीर का. Yes, his teeth chattered. His teeth chattered. Yes, his teeth chattered. उसके जो दांत वो भजने लगे टिक टिक जैसी आवाज यानी उसने ऐसी बेमानी बात करनी शुरू की ऐसे उसके दांत जो थे वो टिक टिक कर रहे थे. He began to yes he began to gibber to himself. Yes, gibber means mumble और सटट्टर यानी बेरबत बोलना नामौजूम बात करना सेंसलेस बात करना. Cursing the war. Cursing means say abusive language. वो abusive language यानी गलत अल्फाज. वो गलत अल्फाज गलत ज़बानी कर रहा था. Cursing the war जंग के बारे में भी cursing कहना अपने आप को भी और cursing everybody हर एक को. So dear students, here you know here are conflicts. First have person to person conflict. For example, he cursing himself. Second, he person versus oneself. Cursing everybody, cursing, yes, cursing everybody and uh, cursing everybody. So here are three conflicts: person versus person. For example, two parties versus person versus oneself. For example, he curses himself, and person versus society. He is against the division. Yes, student. He looked. Yes, student. He looked at the smoking revolver in his hand. वो उसने देखा जो धुआं निकल रहा था उसके रिवॉल्वर से, पिस्टल से जो उसके हाथ में था. And with an oath, with a polite, यानी एक कसम लेकर, he hurled it to the roof at his feet. उसने hurled here means he threw it. उसने उसको फेंका to the roof, छत पर, at his feet, अपने पाँव. The revolver went off. जो रिवॉल्वर है वो चला गया with the concussion. Concussion means, yes, concussion, it means violent shock. Violent shock या उर्दू में कहेंगे, इन उर्दू we can say गहरा सदमा. And the bullet whizzed past the sniper's head. और जो ये bullet, it passed with whiz sound. Whiz means hum. Here it passed with whiz sound past his head, उसके सर के पीछे. He was frightened back to his senses by the shock. He was frightened, वो घबराया गया वापस, to his senses by the shock, यानी वो वापस आ गया झटके से अपने हवास में वापस आ गया. यानी एक किस्म की फीलिंग, एक किस्म की इमोशन उसमें पैदा हुई, जज्बा हुआ. His nerves steadied, उसके जो रगे हैं वो सख्त हो गई. Steadied means they got stabilized. Yes, steady, S-T-A-D-Y, steady, first form, second form, steady. They become firm, they became stable. Yes, students. The cloud of fear scattered from his mind, and he laughed. अब जो खौफ के बादल थे, scattered from his mind, they reflected out of mind. Scattered means dispersed, वो बिखर गए उसके जहन से. हाँ, या निकल गए. he laughed और वो हंसा या हंसे. Yes, student, he decided to leave the roof now. उसने अब फैसला लिया कि वो अब छत को छोड़ दे. He look for his company commander, और वो तलाश करे अपनी कंपनी कमांडर को. हाँ, इसलिए टू रिपोर्ट डालने के लिए कि मैंने ऐसा काम किया. Everywhere around was quiet. हर जगह उसने देखा खामोशी थी. There was not much danger in going through the streets. स्ट्रीट्स में जाने में, गुजरने में ज्यादा खतरा नहीं था. He picked up his revolver and put it in his pocket. He lifted, उसने अपना रिवॉल्वर लिफ्ट किया और उसको रखा अपने जेब में. Yes, student, then he crawled down through the skylight to the house underneath. तब उसने क्या किया? He crept down, वो रेंगा नीचे. Then he crawled down. वो रेंगा He crawled down through the skylight. He crawled down. He crept down. वो नीचे रेंगा crawling through the skylight to the house underneath. Skylight in Urdu we can say रोशनदान, यानी a window built into a roof to allow light in. वो खिड़की जो छत में बनाई जाती है ताकि रोशनी अंदर आए. वहीं से वो नीचे आया, जो मकान नीचे था उसमें वो आया. When the sniper reached the laneway on the street level, जब स्नाइपर पहुंचे, laneway means narrow lane, जो street level पे था, he felt a sudden curiosity as to the identity of the enemy sniper whom he had killed. क्या कहा, जब वो कहाँ पहुंचे, स्ट्रीट में नीचे, उसने महसूस किया उसको अचानक एक क्यूरियासिटी, एक इंटरेस्ट हाँ पैदा हुई, एज टू आइडेंटिफाई, क्या मतलब, टू द आइडेंटिटी ऑफ एनिमी स्नाइपर, कि वो शनाख्त करे, आइडेंटिटी दे के किसकी, जो एनिमी स्नाइपर है, अपोजिट स्नाइपर, whom he had killed, जिसको उसने मारा था. He decided that उसने फैसला लिया, क्या फैसला लिया, he was a good shot, कि उसका जो निशान था या वो अच्छा था, whoever he was, जो कोई भी वो था. Here he refers to the man killed. He wondered, did you know him, वो हैरान, he was surprised, did you know him, क्या उसको जानता था, perhaps he had been in his own company before the split in the army. हाँ, perhaps means doubtly, यानी जिसमें शक है. He had been in his own company, वो उसकी कंपनी में था. Before the split in the army यानी फौज में डिवीजन होने से पहले. Split means डिवीजन, यानी जब फौज में फूट पड़ गई. He decided to risk going over to have a look at him. उसने फैसला लिया कि वो खतरा ले ले, चांस ले ले कि वो उस पर एक नजर डाले. Look, he peeped around the corner. उसने झांका जो कॉर्नर था इसके इर्द गिर्द, into O'Connor Street, जो कॉर्नर कहाँ ले जा रहा था, O'Connor Street में. In the upper part of the street there was heavy firing, but around here all was quiet. जो अपर पार्ट स्ट्रीट का था वहाँ जबरदस्त शेलिंग हो रही थी, भारी गनगरज हो रही थी, लेकिन यह उसके इर्द गिर्द सब कुछ खामोश था. Now the sniper darted across the street. He rushed across the street. वो दौड़ पड़ी. A machine gun tore up the ground around. एक मशीन गन ने उसके इर्द जो जमीन थी उसको काटा, यानी वो कहेंगे उसने उसको जमीन में वो गड्ढे बना दिए. Around him with a hail of bullets. उर्दू में कहेंगे गोलियों की बारिश हुई, but in English we say it was a hail of bullets, means it was a barrage. It means a barrage, it means a burst, it means गोलियों की बौछार, या कश्मीरी में कहेंगे गोलियों हूँ रूद आओ. बट he escaped, लेकिन वो बचने में कामयाब हुआ. He threw himself face downward. उसने फेंका अपना चेहरा नीचे की तरफ. Beside the corpse, beside the dead body. Then what happened? The machine gun stopped. जो machine gun वो रुक गया. Lost life. Then the sniper turned over the dead body. तब जो sniper थे, हाँ, turned over means made up down. उसने उनको up down किया, ऊपर नीचे किया, and looked into his brother's face. और उसने देखा अपने भाई के चेहरे को. Now it is a suspense. Now he repented. Now dear students, turn to page number 56, question number 5. Yes students, there is a figure in front of you. ऊपर कौन बैठे हैं, ऊपर बैठे स्नाइपर, so you can write S. Yes, नीचे क्या है, अर्जुमंद बानो, नीचे एक औरत है उसको लिखेंगे W. शाबाश. फिर यहाँ ओ बकरबाजी ओ तुझना औरत था ये पन ये ऑडियो स्टार्ट था वही. Yes students, the sniper saw the enemy car, right. मैं आपका सुनता हूँ लेकिन आप मेरा नहीं सुनते, इसका मतलब है ऑडियो आप ऑन रखते हैं. The sniper saw the enemy car light in front of him but was unable to fire at it. स्नाइपर ने देखा जो दुश्मन की गाड़ी वो उसके सामने थी, लेकिन उसने उस पर गोली नहीं चलाई. How would you describe the state he was in? वो किस हालत में था? Disappointed, नाउमीदी की हालत में, एंग्री, शरारत में, हेल्पलेस, बेसहारा, all the above. इसमें आएगा all of the above. Yes, question number 7. Why did the sniper kill the man in the armored car and the older one? उसने उन दो शख्स को क्यों मारा? Because the man in the armored car, he could have shot at the sniper. And the old woman, she was a spy. So he killed both of them. How was the sniper injured? कैसे वो इंजर हुआ? जब उसने उन दो पर्सन पे शॉट लगाया तो वहां से अपोजिट जो रूट था वहां से फायर आ गया तो उससे वो जख्मी हो गया. How did he realize that he had been hit? कैसे उसको लगा कि उसको गोली लगी है? Because his arm it had became cold, it had become lifeless, and he could not lift his rifle. How did he assess the damage to his hand? यानी उसने अंदाजा किया उसके हाथ को कितना नुकसान पहुंचा है. How he has evaluated it. Yes, students. How did he assess the damage to his hand? अपने जो हाथ को नुकसान पहुंचा उसका कैसे अंदाजा लगाया? पहले उसको खून बह रहा था, फिर उसने क्या किया? उसने हाथ को इधर उधर किया तो देखा कि उसमें सुराख हुआ था. फिर उसने महसूस किया अपने बाएं हाथ से कि गोली उसमें मौजूद है. Now a very short answer, dear students. The sniper realized that his escape was difficult. कि उसका भाग निकलना, उसका बचना मुश्किल है. Because complete the sentence. Yes, you know. First, he could not lift his head. Second, the enemy covered his escape. यानी वो दुश्मन के टारगेट में था, इसलिए उसने देखा कि मेरा यहाँ से बच निकलना मुश्किल है. Yes, dear students. How did the sniper struck the enemy sniper? Did his trick work? What did he do? He put his cap on the front part of the barrel of his gun. Then, what did he do? From the opposite side, a shot came and it hit the middle part of his cap and the cap fell down. Then he also let his rifle to fall down. Yes, so his trick worked. How did the sniper feel just before and after killing his opponent? उसने कैसा महसूस किया यानी अपोनेंट मारने से पहले और मारने के बाद. बिफोर उससे पहले वो क्या था? He was lust. He had a lust to kill his enemy, but after killing he repented. He cursed himself, he cursed the war, he cursed everything. Who was the sniper? Who was killed? जो दुश्मन था वो कौन था जिसको उसने मारा? He was his brother. He was a soldier of the Republican Party. Yes. Yes, students. It is said that there are 5 major conflicts. कहा जाता है 5 मेजर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हैं जो इसने यहाँ दिए. पर्सन वर्सेस पर्सन यानी शख्स का शख्स के खिलाफ, पर्सन वर्सेस वन सेल्फ पर्सन का अपने के खिलाफ, पर्सन वर्सेस नेचर पर्सन का नेचर के खिलाफ, पर्सन वर्सेस सोसाइटी पर्सन का सोसाइटी के खिलाफ, पर्सन वर्सेस फैट पर्सन का अपने फ्यूचर या लक डेस्टिनी के खिलाफ. हियर यू कैन नोटिस 3 conflicts. फर्स्ट वन पर्सन वर्सेस पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन वर्सेस ये भी है पर्सन वर्सेस वन सेल्फ. You know he cursed himself. He cursed everyone. He was the conflict was also person versus society. What is the conflict found in the science? Is there more than? Yes, there are more. What major idea writing to get across to the readers in this story? How far has he achieved? Yes, the writer, he was trying to make the readers assess that war is an evil, war is not good, though war question number 15. Though one wins a war, other loses it, but in a war everything is wasted. Everything is wasted. So the problem can be solved through peaceful means. War is lost option. Yes, he admirably communicated what he wanted to the readers to get. It can also be the theme. This question can also be the theme of the story. Yes, students, please look at vocabulary. यहाँ मैचिंग वर्ड्स हैं, उनकी डेफिनेशन राइट साइड पर है, आपको इनके मीनिंग देखना है। शाबाश, राइफल है, उसका आएगा फोर। हाँ, राइफल, शाबाश। राइफल क्या है? A firearm with a long barrel. A firearm with a long barrel. An informer, you know informer क्या होता है? हाँ, जो a person, नीचे a person who gives information secret, है ना ये। इसके बाद a sniper, sniper हुआ someone who shoots at people from a place where he cannot be seen. Then there is a ruse. Ruse means that trick, pretenders, diversion, intent, deceive or mislead. Then there is a muzzle. Muzzle हो गया जो गन का एंड होता है, the end of a gun barrel from where the bullets come out. Then there is to cover. Yes, here it means to protect a soldier from enemy attack while he is carrying out a particular operation. Then there is lost a turret. A turret means a part of a military vehicle which contains a large gun or guns and which can move to face any direction. Now, part second, dear students. The following words are synonyms of the word fall. Fall के बहुत सारे मायने निकल सकते हैं, इसलिए उसके जो ये नीचे synonyms हैं। मसलन यहाँ उसने लिखा है fall, drop, sink, plummet, collapse, stumble, plunge and descent. ये fall के different meanings आएंगे in different situations. Yes, dear students, now first. The old man fell from the terrace and dashed to the ground. इसका आएगा पहला वाला, लेकिन इस पहले वाले जो पहला वर्ब है यहाँ उसकी सेकंड फॉर्म आएगी क्योंकि यहाँ पास्ट टेंस है, fell to the ground. Yes, Jack lost his footing and tumbled. Tumble है ऊपर, हमें लिखना है सेकंड फॉर्म, tumbled down the hill. Tumbled down the hill. Third, he dashed to his seat. इसको आएगा sink, लेकिन यहाँ sink की दूसरी फॉर्म, sank to his seat when he heard the shocking news. Yes, students, the fall in share prices have caused the prosperity prices to drop. Drop का यहाँ word आएगा to plummet. Plummet. Yes, students, after being hit by the bullet, he took a few strides before he dashed. Collapse, उसकी second part आएगा, second form आएगी collapse to the ground. The bird dashed. The bird, page number 58. The bird dropped dead to the ground after hit by the bullet. She dashed the stairs. नीचे आने को कहते हैं descend. So she descended the stairs very cautiously. Lost. She dashed into the river and died. She plunged. She plunged into the river and died. Plunge means push quickly. Push quickly. Dear students, let us turn to page number 58, last page, और reflexive pronoun. आप जानते हैं pronoun हो गया जो noun की जगह लेता है, noun ये part of speech है। मसलन himself है, myself, themselves, yourself, itself, ये क्या है? ये reflexive pronoun है। अब हमें क्या करना है? The complete sentences. Complete the sentences given below. Complete the sentences given below using the appropriate reflexive pronoun. Lonely people often talk to. जो तना लोग अपन से बात करते हैं, यानी themselves. इसको आएगा themselves. I bought a gift for. अपन के लिए वो myself. G1 hurt himself while he was preparing the car. क्योंकि हिमसेल्फ इसका वास्ता है जो यहाँ जीवन है, हाँ उसके साथ। Zainab and I went to the canteen during break to buy ourselves something to eat. यहाँ ourselves. I was horrified to see in the mirror myself. You will have to help Rashid fill the form.